Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 3rd May 2026. Title of Murli. In order to become a conqueror of attachment and an embodiment of remembrance, the same as Father Brahma, make a timetable for your mind and practice being a bodiless karma yogi while doing everything. Bap Dada said. Bap Dada, especially Brahma Baba, has adorned the brave and instrumental children with the crown of world service. Brahma Baba himself became incognito and bestowed upon the children the tilak of remembrance of world service. He made the children the doers, while he himself remained the one who enables all actions. By granting the blessing of a form similar to himself, an angelic form, he adorned them with a crown of light. This divine love, this godly love, can only be experienced in the confluence age. Only those who have experienced this divine love can truly understand it, as it naturally makes every child an easy yogi. Further, Baba said, Bap Dada has told all the children that the destruction of the world will happen suddenly. If, instead of maintaining attention throughout the day, there is any lack in adopting virtues, it creates a difference in the stage of a karmayogi. In the beginning, Brahma Baba practiced this by holding a royal court of these sense organs at the end of each day. Similarly, you must consider yourself a master who enables actions and perform all deeds through these sense organs, because the soul is the king and these sense organs are its companions. In conclusion, Baba said, each one of my children, while performing actions, should remain a royal child, an authority of self-sovereignty, and never leave the seat of self-rule. The Father desires that while moving and acting, you should not forget your royalty and should never leave your seat. Without being seated in that awareness, no order is obeyed. Blessing for today. May you be a master creator and use your powerful stage to stay away from all the attractions of creation. Details are: when a master creator remains stable in the powerful stage and intoxication of being master knowledgeful, he will then be able to stay away from all attractions. This is because the creation will now create even more different colors and forms. Therefore, you have to forget all the mistakes of childhood that remain, such as carelessness, laziness, and a don't care attitude. You can then reveal your powerful form of a Shakti, your form of holding the weapons, and your constantly illuminated form. Only then will you be called a master creator. Slogan is: be so hard, firm, in the state of your mind that no situation is able to melt it. Avyakt signal. Constantly experience an unshakable, immovable, and constant stage. No matter what type of atmosphere you live in, let your stage always be unshakable and immovable. When an instrument gives you advice, do not become confused with that, because those who are instruments are already experienced. Even if any of their directions are not clear, do not have any upheaval. Tell them patiently that you will try to understand it, for only then will your stage remain constant, unshakable, and immovable.